Hey guys, this is Brian from brianalcott.com and welcome to my review of Local Agency Box. So this is launching on the 9th of October at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time, and I'm going to give you a run through of what the product's all about and explain to you exactly what you'll get if you decide to purchase Local Agency Box today. And if you do decide to buy through my link, which is the first link in the description below this YouTube video, if you click on that link, it'll take you to my bonus page here. Then you'll be able to click on any of the big green buttons on this page and you're going to be able to get these bonuses that I've got for you today. They're free of charge, quality products that are going to really help you with your purchase of Local Agency Box. The only thing you need to do is make sure you come back to my page before this countdown timer reaches 0, because the bonuses are going to expire when that happens, and obviously I want you to miss out on any of those because they are quality bonuses. They've been given to me by Jono Armstrong. I'm working closely with Jono. He's a super affiliate marketer and he's earning well over $2 million this year, and that's profit and not just revenue. So he knows really what he's talking about, and he's given me some quality bonuses that I'm going to give to you today, say with your purchase of Local Agency Box. Now, bonus number 1 that I'm giving you free of charge is one of Jono's best-selling products. It's a $0 to $100 in 24 hours. You've got to get yourself back here to buy that in the first 24 hours of the launch, because that one's going to expire, and obviously I don't want you to miss out on that. So you need to be back here by the 10th of October at 11 AM Eastern Standard. Before then, just to make sure that you'd secure your copy of that free of charge. Bonus number 2 then is one of Jono's good products for email marketing. Excellent products. So it's 2,000 copy and paste emails that Jono's been really successful with. You're going to get the inside track on those with this product. Then you're going to be able to advertise for your clients for Local Agency Box, because this Bing Ads course is one of Jono's best-selling training products for advertising any products really, but you're going to really be able to put this into action with Local Agency Box. That's free of charge as well. Then bonus number 4, again, another of his high-quality products called Enigma, and this is the pro version of it, which is a very, very valuable bonus that's free of charge for you today, as I say, just by picking this up through my link, which is the first link in the description below this video. So get yourself here. And then also number 5 bonus is all the vendor bonuses. You're not going to miss out on any of those by buying through my link today. So when you have bought through my link, which you must make sure you're back here before the countdown timer reaches 0, you'll be taken to your receipt page from JV Zoom. Just click on this this blue button here. Sorry, the image isn't very big here, but you'll be able to click on that button, and these bonuses will be delivered instantly to you when you make your purchase of just the front end of Local Agency Box, and it's $37. So you're going to get a business in a box that's really going to help local businesses to get online and help their selling. So you're going to be in demand, and this is because this is all what everybody needs this after COVID. People are struggling with their brick and mortar businesses. High streets really affected. So you're going to really be in the right place at the right time with this product. So say once you have clicked on the bonus page of mine with the green buttons, it will bring you to the sales page. I'll just give you a quick rundown on the sales page. So Local Agency Box is a mega offer post-COVID-19 business opportunity. Activate your full-blown and ready-to-profit local marketing agency without any budget, marketing skills or technical experience. And you're going to get a mega bonus, get everything you need to make $500 to $2,500 per client for less than an hour of work through arbitrage and drops services. So this is the sales page. So it's going to give you everything you need to get paid, helping offline or local businesses to sell online post-COVID. Post-pandemic, local businesses have come to understand that selling online is not an option, but a necessity to survive in the new and post-COVID economy. But they have no clue how to do that. Video, social media, apps, websites, bots are growing so fast that they have become an essential part of any business marketing plan. and businesses are willing to pay big money to anyone who can help them with that. So this is the sales page saying it's going to give you everything you need. So kit number 1 is a done-for-you video marketing agency kit, and it's got such a lot of quality content in here that you're going to get. Stunning ready-made video agency website, irresistible proposal, Microsoft Word and PowerPoint, highly optimized cold call email sequence, pimp to sell telemarketing scripts for videos, print ready commercial graphics templates for video services, business card, letterhead, invoices, trifold, brochure, 4 done for you Facebook ad creatives, done for you web banners and Google ads, done for you legal contract vetted by an attorney, and an arbitrage. So charge 500 to 10k per client and deliver using any of the video creation tools you bought in the past or outsource to a freelancer on Fiverr. And obviously the creators of the product are going to connect you with awesome freelancers to do the job all for you, and they'll deliver that for you for less than $50. So you're going to be able to make a really good margin on this. And kit number 2, done for you mobile app agency kit. So everything you need here to set up your own 6-figure mobile app agency business and slice your own share of the multi-billion-dollar app industry. So again, another quality kit there ready for you. Kit number 3, done for you messenger bot agency kit. So this is everything that people are going to need. There's no stone left unturned with this product. Kit number 4, done for you social media marketing agency kit, which is obviously very, very big today. Social media marketing, all businesses need this, especially getting online. It's going to make a massive difference to everybody's business. Then you've got the Facebook ads business agency kit, which is kit number 5. Kit number 6, done for you web design agency kit. So you're going to be able to create quality websites for these businesses very easily. You can outsource the work and you can just cream in the profit. Extra kit number 7, done for you search engine optimization audit agency business kit. Obviously when you mention search engine optimization, nobody knows what it's all about. You're going to be able to show these businesses and show them how you can get their videos and their website ranked on the search engines. And then kit number 8, done for you graphics design agency kit, where you're going to be able to offer quality graphic design to these businesses. Number 9, content marketing agency business kit. Obviously this is going to help you. You're going to be able to create massive content for these businesses. Then a restaurant agency kit, that's kit number 10. So each kit comes with done for you ready-made agency websites, done for you proposals, PowerPoint and Microsoft Word presentations. You can look so professional with this. Done for you print ready commercial graphics templates, done for you highly optimized cold call email sequence. So professional this. Done for you pimp to sell telemarketing scripts, done for you Facebook ads creatives, and done for you legal contracts. Everything's covered. You've got a demo video on the sales page, so come and watch that in your own time. So have a good look at that. So because you're going to be able to pick up the front end only of local agency box just for $37. Now there are some upsells. I'll tell you what they are. Upsell number 1 is a software bundle for $97. It's a bundle of top class software that you can use to deliver the services. 20 plus premium apps bundled in one. Local video kit is the upsell number 2 for $37. So we all know that a minute of video is worth 1.8 million words. So we're giving you 1.8 million words of personalized, persuasive video commercial for each agency. Now that's a fantastic upsell, that one. I think that's well worth $37. Upsell number 3, local agency apps, is $297 with a downsell of $197. So you're going to get reseller rights to 5 high quality software apps with professionally designed sales pages and start making sales straight away. Sell them to local businesses and keep the profits. Upsell number 4, local agency box reseller, $97 to $197. Resell local agency box and keep 100% of the profits. Easy way to make money selling software products. So on my bonus page there is a demo video here. You can watch that one as well. So, but just make sure that you click any of the big green buttons. That will then take you to the sales page where you can pick that up through my link, the link in the first link in the description below this video. Grab all these bonuses, they're quality bonuses from a real expert in marketing, affiliate marketing, John O. Armstrong. As I say, I'm working very closely with John O, and we love to give you these bonuses, and hope you enjoy your purchase of Local Agency Box, say through my link, the first link in the description below this video. And I really hope you get the best out of this product and really help other businesses through these difficult times that we're in. Well, that's the end of my review for Local Agency Box. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.